How to kill bugs on aloe plants. There are all sorts of reasons to have an aloe vera plant in your house. They are interesting to look at and they remove toxins from the air and have a terrific effect when the gel inside is used to soothe sunburns and minor cuts. There are all sorts of pests that get attracted to aloe plants, mostly to eat the leaves and suck the moisture from inside. It's important to know how to kill the bugs and take measures to keep them away for good. Things you will need: insecticide spray, soft cloth. Remove any dead or curled leaves from the aloe plant. These are the likely culprit as to why the bugs are there in the first place. They can also be attracted to aloe plants that have been overwatered. Spray the entire plant down with an insecticide solution, sold at gardening stores and online. Make sure to get deep into the ridges of the plant near the base, as well. Wipe the leaves down with a soft cloth to remove any dead bugs. If there are scale insects present that are still latched on, use your fingernail to gently remove them. Periodically wipe the leaves down with a clean, soft cloth to remove dust and remove all dead and rotting leaves.